This out of Grand Forks, the state's attorney has issued an opinion in the fatal officer-involved shooting. Quote, the state's attorney's office issued a legal opinion related to the officer-involved shooting with Salama Pendleton in Grand Forks County on May 27, 2020. After a thorough review of the facts and law, the state's attorney's office has concluded the actions of law enforcement officers on the scene were objectively reasonable in light of the circumstances. Law enforcement officers fired their duty weapons at Salama Pendleton after Salama Pendleton fired first at law enforcement on two separate occasions. Mr. Pendleton posed a threat of serious physical harm or death to the officers and others within the occupied building. In her opinion, State's Attorney Wamstead states, in an ever-changing and complex field, law enforcement officers are called upon to enforce the law and ensure public safety. The circumstances of this tragic situation required law enforcement officers to make split-second decisions about the amount of force necessary to bring the situation under control. The circumstances were tense, uncertain, and rapidly evolving. The officers on the scene were responsive, calm, and used good judgment in their assessment of the situation and use of force necessary. Salama Pendleton was subsequently apprehended and charged with 2 counts of murder, 3 counts of attempted murder, criminal mischief, terrorizing, reckless endangerment. Mr. Pendleton's charges are pending, and he remains in custody at the Grand Forks County Correctional Center. His preliminary hearing date is scheduled for August 7th, 2020. That was from the Grand Forks State's Attorney Haley Wamstead. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.